Welcome, Craft Heroes! Today we're creating a breathtaking tiny tulips garden scene using your Muddy's 3D wall frame. Step 1. We'll start by establishing our dreamy sky backdrop. Take your flat brush and load it generously with color number 24. Now grab your palette knife and mix number 34 with a sprinkle of quartz sand. This creates that beautiful shimmer. The key here is that luminous finish we're after, so don't rush this step. To finish, we'll kiss the very top with color number 2 for that ethereal, cloud-kissed glow. Step 2. Time to bring our garden to life with lush foliage. On your palette, combine color number 13 with quartz sand in equal parts. This gives you that perfect, earthy green. Your palette knife becomes your garden tool here, sculpting those organic leaf shapes with confident strokes. Switch to the deeper number 14 for areas where shadows naturally fall. And brighten the sun-touched spots with number 10. Let each section dry completely before moving forward. Patience makes all the difference. Step 3. Here's where the magic really happens, adding our delicate tulip blooms. Step 4A. Now we'll bring those tulips to radiant life. Load your flat brush with color number 41 and paint the upper petals with smooth, gentle strokes. Step 4B. For that final burst of dimension, blend number 41 with just a whisper of color number 2 on your palette. This creates the most beautiful blush tone that'll make your tulips absolutely glow in the light.